You might already be aware of the preview switch right here in the MIDI editor. When it's off, if I click on a MIDI note here or if I create a MIDI note, we don't hear anything. But when it's on, I can play the various notes, and when I put new notes in, I can hear them as well. Well, now this switch is on globally or off globally. So when I go into another track here, you can see it's on as well, and another one here also. So if I turn it off, you can also see now it's off in the other two channels. What's more is we can assign a MIDI command to this or a keyboard shortcut. I'll assign a keyboard shortcut to it. Just click here to select it, and maybe P for preview. You can see the P right there. Take off that, and now by hitting the key P, I can turn it on and off, and that again is global for all channels. So that's a very handy little thing.